Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iTel S24 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on backup to Google Drive and tap on next. Tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in the step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me quickly do it. And tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, just mark it and tap on I agree. Just mark it, just check it. That's what I wanted to say. Alright, so let's tap on the account, and here we can choose what kind of data we want to back up. So photos and videos or other device data, you can mark both if you want to, and tap on confirm. Tap on manage backup, and here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and as you can see your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.